Oh, you fell off. Okay, up on the beam. Okay. Come on. There you go. This is for Auntie Jill. Okay, now. Oh, you're going to fall.
Climb up there, Logan.
Okay, and we'll show Auntie Jill your big somersault.
Ready? You can put your hands down on the blue. Ready? Put your hands down.
Woohoo!
Ta-da!
How about you give us a big ta-da? You do them at home. Every time he poops, he comes and says, ta-da!
Ta-da!
Now where are you going to go? Who's that? Who's there? Oh my gosh, it's Logan. Yeah, it's that one. Show us a big bounce. Boing, boing, boing. Give me a big jump. You showing off.
You happy?
Why don't you jump down, Logan? Jump down, we'll go off the springboard. Show Auntie Jill how you jump. Whoa! Okay, off the springboard. Whoop! You want Daddy to do it? Okay, you ready? Whoops! Nice. Okay, your turn. Logan's turn. And do ta-da afterwards. Oh, you don't want to go off it anymore? Okay, jump off and go ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, you rolled over the